Is the Xbox game bar causing annoying pop-ups or slowing down your gameplay in Windows 11? Today, I'll show you a quick and easy way to disable it, boosting your system's performance and getting rid of those unwanted overlays. First, click on the search bar located on your taskbar. Now, type settings into the search bar. Then, click on the settings app icon to open it. In the settings window, look at the left sidebar and click on gaming. Now, on the right-hand side, click on Xbox Game Bar. You'll see a toggle switch that says, Open Xbox Game Bar using this button on a controller. Simply click the toggle switch to turn it off. While you're here, you may also want to check the capture settings, located at the gaming settings main page. From here, ensure that background recording is turned off, as this feature can also impact performance. And that's it. The Xbox Game Bar is now disabled. You should notice improved performance and no more unexpected overlays. If you found this helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more Windows 11 tips.